the attributes of God. God has tremendous attributes. We can also say His nature, His essence is mind blowing. It is worth knowing. God is infinite. That is, He has no end. He had no beginning. God is immutable. That He never changes in His essence. God is self-sufficient. He has no needs. That is, He is not dependent on anything. God is omnipotent. That is, He is all-powerful. There is nothing He cannot do. God is omniscient. He knows every details of everything. God is omnipresent. He is everywhere. There is no place where He is not. God is wise. He is full of perfection, unchanging beauty of wisdom. God is faithful. He is infinitely, unchangingly true. He cannot cheat anyone. God is good. He is infinitely, unknowingly kind, full of goodwill towards humanity, towards the universe and the whole creations of the world. God is just. He is infinitely justice-giving person. God is merciful. He is so compassionate and kind. God is so gracious. He is infinitely gracious and He can forgive anyone. God is loving. His love has no end. His love has no beginning. It is immensely great. God is holy. There is no sin that dwells in Him. God is glorious. He is infinitely beautiful and great, and we cannot comprehend with our brain. It is very essential for us to know who is our designer. Human being as a designer, the world has a designer. So when we understand who designed us and His power, our demand increases, our power increases, our potential increases, our efficiency and performance increases for the betterment of yourself and for the humanity and for all the creations of the world. Thank you.